Question 7 is a well-written question. It shows the concept of IB. You follow step by step A, B, C, 1, 2, and then you can solve some seemingly complicated question, but step by step. Each step is acceptable, not very complicated. The first one, okay, it said that it's a gx. Okay, gx has this functional form, so it has 3 roots. Okay, and then write down the value of the sum of the 3 roots. So you have to remember the sum of the 3 roots, right? Is equals to negative 7/2, right? So it is 7/2. So these 3 roots add together is 7/2. Next one, okay, very complicated. Wow, degree 5, but relax. So it has a 5 roots, okay? Even can be a set, a complex number too. So, but alpha, beta, gamma is the roots, are the roots already. So their sum is 7/2. We will use it. And then he said that one of the roots is p plus vi. So you know that p minus vi is also the root. So for part B, you will say the other root is z star, the complex conjugate. Okay, equals p minus vi. And then you observe that the sum of the 3 roots, okay, also negative 11/2. So you allow alpha, beta, gamma add together 7/2 plus p plus vi plus p minus vi equals, it show you have to show more step. Okay, negative 11/2. So we can say it is 11/2. I think better to have one more intermediate step, right? So this is 2p equals 11/2 minus 7/2, because this is shown. Okay, so one more intermediate step, and then this one you can say is obviously is 2. Okay, so p equals 1. Bingo, we got it. Next one, and then they said that h half is 0. So h, one of the roots is half. Okay, but obviously not set and not set star, right? And set alpha, beta are integers, so not alpha, beta too. So who are they? Oh, gamma. So it must be gamma. So first step is gamma equals a half. And then what else do we know? Think about it. No more number. What is the number we made? Negative 20. Yeah, the last number we have is here. This one is a negative 20 is the product of the 3 roots, where the 3 root multiplied together is negative 20. Okay, good. So I remember over 2. Good. So multiply all together. So alpha, beta times half times p is 1. Okay, 1 plus vi, 1 minus vi equals negative 20 over 2. So this is 10. Good, and then you solve it slowly. Okay, this is alpha, beta, half. So move this half to this side is 20. Alpha, beta. And then 1 plus 9, or 10. And then equals 20. So alpha, beta equals 2. Last step. Okay. But the word is easier, the questioning word. Write down the value of alpha and beta. So write it down. So easy. Why? So look at here. Gamma is a half, right? So we look at here. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is 7/2. So maybe you can do some step. Okay. Alpha plus beta plus half is 7/2. So alpha plus beta is 3. So 2 integer add together is 3, multiply is 2. Obviously 1 and 2, right? And which one is which? Okay, alpha is smaller. Okay, so we got it. So alpha is 1, beta is 2. It is really a good question because after its guidance, you solve a question of a 3 degree complex roots question. You did a great job, right? Yeah, I'm proud of you. Yeah, we did together, right? Well done. See you for the next question. Thank you.